This is our one-bedroom flat. We are currently renovating. We will be replacing all the cabinets and countertops. We are creating a bigger space for a 30-inch stove. We are raising the cabinets to regular cabinet height. We will be replacing all the flooring, the lighting, and of course the appliances. In the bathroom, they will be getting a new vanity, new flooring, new towel bars, new lighting. In the bedroom, we'll be replacing the flooring, the lighting, doorknobs, and that's
all the works. You're going to throw everything at this, Lindsay.
The guys do awesome with it.
This is a loft. What we've done is upgraded the flooring over here. We're going to leave some of the countertops and the cabinets because they're in good position over here. The appliances are going to stay the same. This has to be cleaned for the next for tomorrow because we have a move in there. Just wanted to show you some of the stages of what happens as we take over a unit, turn it around, and release it again. Now over here, you see the bathroom. There's some of it's a little dated, but we were able to lease this apartment for at least, I think, $130 more than the previous resident was paying. And that's why we decided, you know, if we have a good, ready tenant right now for us to come in, they want us to pay more rent, and they just want to move in today, there's no need to substantially upgrade this right now because, you know, bird in hand is worth two in the bush, right? Or what's that? Something like that. So as you can see, great view. The loft really kind of makes it look cool. But again, we only spent close to $1,000 getting $130+ in rent.